In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a seamless loop in Soundation. First, open Soundation in your browser, click Login, and choose your account to get started. If you're already signed in, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, you can either create a new project if you want a fresh start, or open an existing one you're already working on. Either choice is fine, what matters is getting into the project where your beat is located. Once your project is open, head to the timeline or track area where your beat clip lives. You're going to make it loop by extending it, and there are two simple ways to do that. The first method is the fastest. Click on your beat, then hold the Alt key. On some keyboards this may be labeled Option, and drag the end of the clip to the right. Make sure you're grabbing the edge of the clip, not the middle. As you drag, the software automatically repeats the clip so it lines up back to back, creating a continuous loop. Keep dragging until you reach the length you want. This approach is great because it keeps everything aligned and saves time when you need multiple repeats. If you prefer a more manual method, you can right-click the clip, choose Copy, and then paste it so it sits immediately after the first clip. Place the pasted copy right at the end of the original, with no gap and no overlap, so the transition is smooth. You can repeat this copy and paste process as many times as you need to build a longer section. This method gives you a bit more control if you're arranging sections piece by piece. Whichever method you choose, the result is the same. Your beat now plays in a loop, flowing from one repetition to the next without interruption. If anything sounds off, take a quick look at the edge where two clips meet. They should be touching exactly. Even a tiny space or slight overlap can cause a click or a hiccup in the rhythm. Ensuring the clips are aligned at their edges keeps the groove consistent and musical. To recap, log into Soundation, open or create your project, and then loop your beat by either holding Alt and dragging the clip's end to repeat it, or by right-clicking to copy and pasting the duplicate at the end of the original. That's all you need to create a clean, looping beat you can build on for the rest of your track.